Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on sound effects on your account on Xtwitcher, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click accessibility, display and languages, and click now display, and here as you see you'll find it sound effects. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on sound effects on your account on Xtwitcher, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.